Today, in this video, we are going to do part number 5 of adjectives and degrees of comparison. In our last videos, we have done definition of adjectives, position of adjectives, kinds of adjectives, and degrees of comparison, that is positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Today, we will see the functioning of different adjectives at different places. So let's start with our first topic today, that is use of some and any. The some and any both are quantifiers, but where to use which one, that we have to see. Generally, you will get options in fill in the blanks type of questions that you have to fill some or any. Let's see where to use some and where to use any. Some is used with countables and uncountable, both the nouns. But where? This is used in affirmative sentences. So we can say some is used in affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences are further known as simple sentences also, means the statements also. So these are some is used in affirmative sentences with countable and uncountable nouns. Clear? So that is the use of some. Let's see the exercise. Exercise says fill in the blanks with some or any. So she bought dash mangoes. But let's remind what we have to keep in mind. Where we have to fill some, the sentence should be a statement or affirmative sentence, and with countable and uncountable we have to fill that. So she bought mangoes. Now what is noun here? That is mangoes. And the sentence is affirmative. So what do you have to do? She bought some mangoes. Clear? Next question is, there are dash vegetables in the fridge. So vegetables is countable and the sentence is affirmative. So what we have to do? Some. Why it is affirmative? Because this is not having any not, never type of words, right? This is not giving any negative sense. So next one is, I have dash money in my bag. So money is what? Uncountable. As I said, it is used with countable and uncountable both. So here it is uncountable because it is quantified, so we have to do. I have some money in my bag. Question number 4 is, I have dash questions to ask. So questions is what? Question is uncountable or countable? It is countable. So what we have to do here? It is some questions. So like this you have to solve the exercises. Let's see use of any. Second option with that is any. So any is used in negative sentences and any is used in interrogative sentences. Once again, in negative sentences and in interrogative sentences. For example, she does not have money. Does not is giving the negative sense. So what we have to do here? Any. She does not have any money. One confusion I want to satisfy that she does not have any money. Here it is money and here it is money. But the difference is this is an affirmative sentence, and here this is she does not have any money because the sentence is a negative. Okay, does she have dash sisters? So question is this is interrogative. So I have said here interrogative and negative both we have to use any. So does she have any sisters? I do not have dash problem. So I do not have any problem, you will say here. Next one, I will not eat thing today. So what I'll say? I will not eat anything today. She is not going dash where. So what is again? Any where. So this was the use of some and any. This is the use of some and any. So next is the use of much and many. Much and many are used with quantity. What is it? Quantity. Clear? Now, where to use much and where to use many, this we have to see. As I told you about the uncountable and countable noun many times, here also the same thing you have to keep in mind. Much is used with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns. And many is used with countable nouns. The nouns which can be changed from singular to plural form. Okay? And uncountable are those where the singular and plural remain same. Clear? Now, we have to do the exercise. There is, you have to fill in the blanks with much or many. Clear? There is dash milk in the jug. Now, we have to check the noun milk. That is uncountable. So what you will do with uncountable, you have to do much. Okay. Next is, we had dash hope about his success. What do you say? Hope is hopes or hope. There is no plural of the hope, right? So what we have to do here, we have to fill much. Once again. How dash books do you have? What is the noun? Books. And books is countable or uncountable? It is countable. So what we have to do with countable? Many. How many books do you have? Next one is how dash money. Fourth one is we didn't earn dash profit this year. What is noun? That is profit. And profit is profit, it's not profits. Clear? So once again it is uncountable. What to do here? Much. Next is how dash money have you got? How dash money have you got? Money is countable or uncountable? It is uncountable. We can count money which we have, but we cannot count money here in English grammar. Money is not changed into monies, okay? So how many money or much money? What do you say? Much money, because money is uncountable. Let me write it once again. How much money have you got? Clear? We had so dash fun. We had so dash fun. Fun is also uncountable because fun is fun in singular and in plural also it is fun. So we had so much fun. I spent dash days there. Days is countable or uncountable? Countable. So what you have to do here? Many days there. So this was the use of much and many. Next, in next video, we will do use of little and few. Next is the use of little and few. Little and few both are used for some, right? Now, little is used with uncountable nouns and few is used with countable nouns. I have divided this little into three parts. So little, a little, the little. Little means almost none. Clear? A little means at least some. And the little means the whole but very little. Let's take an example. Suppose I have a glass and there is only 1-2 drops of milk in that. Clear? So what I'll say, I have little milk in the glass. And next example, in the case of a little, I have again one glass of water, and in that glass I have sufficient milk to make a cup of tea. So what I'll say? I have a little milk in the glass. Clear? And what's the case of little? Let's see. The little. The same enough milk which is for one glass of tea, which was sufficient for that. I have used that here. Clear? So what I will say? I have used the little milk I had. Clear? So that is little, a little, the little. Next is few. Few is used with uncountable noun. Sorry, countable nouns. So few is used with countable nouns. It's same case here, but it is number. We have to choose this time countable noun here. So few means none, a few means at least, and the few means all of them, though very less. Let's take an example of friends. I have few friends. It means I have no friends. Clear? If I'll say I have a few friends, means I have only one or two friends. Clear? So that is a few friends at least. If I'll say the few, I invited the few friends in the party. Means whatever friend, whatever the number of the friends I have, that is very less actually, but I have called them in the party. Now let's see the examples. Here in this exercise, you have to fill only little and few. Clear? Once again, I am reminding, little is used with uncountable and few is used with countable. Let's see. I have dash time to waste. Now, time is what? Countable or uncountable? We never see times. It is uncountable. So, what you will do? That is little. Next one is, the doctor will be back in dash minutes. Minutes is what? Countable. So what you have to do? In a few minutes. Next is, I have dash money left in my account. So I have dash money. Money is uncountable. So what you will say? I have little money left in my account. Mr. Bean has dash friends. Friends is countable or uncountable? It's countable. So what would we will do here? Mr. Bean has few friends. There is a little, have done here the blank itself. So there is dash chance of rain for the next dash days. There is dash chance of rain for the next dash days. So what you will do? With chance, what you will do? Chance is uncountable. So what you will do here? There is little. Chance of rain for the next few days, because few days is countable and your chance is uncountable. So there is little chance of rain for the next few days. So that's all about the use of these adjectives in the different